Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bassinets for breastfeeding that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Mud Dub Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. This 3-in-1 bassinet offers standalone, rocking crib, and bedside sleeper modes, making it versatile for all stages of your baby's early months. Its standout feature is the premium memory foam mattress, which combines ergonomic support with certifications like OEKO-TEX 100 and CertiPUR US, ensuring your baby enjoys a safe and cozy sleep environment. The mattress cover is breathable and machine washable, adding convenience for busy parents. The design is robust, featuring a metal frame and non-toxic mesh material for safety and durability. It also includes 4 mute casters with brakes, so moving the bassinet from room to room is seamless and secure. The 6 adjustable height settings allow you to align the bassinet perfectly with your bed, while the tilting feature helps prevent reflux issues during feeding. Assembly is fast and tool-free, taking just 5 to 10 minutes, which is perfect for parents on the go. While the Mud Dub bassinet excels in comfort and portability, its heavier weight of 24.2 pounds might make frequent movement a bit cumbersome compared to lighter models. It's ideal for parents who prioritize a luxurious sleep experience for their baby, but its higher price point may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this bassinet is perfect for a premium, safe, and multifunctional sleep solution. Coming in at number 4 is the Kawiwi Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. This bassinet is designed to provide optimal comfort and convenience for both parents and newborns. Made with breathable 3D mesh fabric, it ensures excellent airflow to keep your baby cool and comfortable throughout the night. The sleek aluminum frame is lightweight yet sturdy, offering reliability without sacrificing ease of movement. It also comes with a mattress that is both firm and padded, promoting healthy development while providing a cozy sleeping environment. The Kawiwi Bassinet stands out with its 6 adjustable height settings, allowing you to seamlessly align it with your bed for easy nighttime feedings. The 4 lockable wheels make it simple to move the bassinet between rooms, offering flexibility in your daily routine. Assembly is quick and tool-free, making it easy to set up. The neutral design and light gray color complement any nursery or bedroom decor, adding a touch of elegance. One minor downside is the bassinet's weight of 18.3 pounds, which might be slightly heavier than other options for frequent portability. Additionally, its customer reviews, while positive, are fewer in comparison to other products on this list, which might leave some buyers wanting more user feedback. Overall, the Kawiwi is perfect for parents looking for a stylish, functional, and breathable bedside solution for their baby. At number 3, we have the BCOL Baby Bassinet. This bassinet offers a unique 3-in-1 functionality, serving as a bedside sleeper, standalone crib, and even a rocking cradle. Certified by CPC, ASTM, and CPSIA, it guarantees safety and high-quality craftsmanship. The rocking cradle mode mimics gentle parental rocking, creating a soothing environment for your baby's sleep. The adjustable height feature, with 3 settings, lets you customize it to match your bed or sofa height, while the incline mode is particularly helpful for preventing reflux during feeding sessions. The BCOL bassinet includes a spacious interior, a mosquito net for added protection, and a large storage basket for baby essentials. Its breathable mesh sides maximize airflow, and the 4 silent wheels with brakes ensure smooth and secure movement. Assembly is easy and tool-free, and the fabric is detachable for hand washing, making maintenance simple. The portability and thoughtful design make this bassinet a great choice for parents who are frequently on the move. While the BCOL excels in versatility and safety certifications, its smaller dimensions might make it less suitable for older infants as they grow. Additionally, its 16.32-pound weight is lighter compared to other models, but may not feel as robust to some users. This bassinet is ideal for parents who value multifunctionality and safety in a compact, portable design. In second place, we have the Yata Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. This bassinet is packed with features, including a mosquito net, standalone bassinet mode, bedside sleeper mode, and a tilting nursing bed. The large storage space underneath and thoughtfully designed side pockets make it easy for parents to store frequently used baby essentials like diapers and bottles. The breathable mesh sides ensure excellent airflow while allowing you to keep a close eye on your baby. One of its standout features is its quick and easy assembly, requiring no tools and taking just 10 to 20 minutes. The removable and machine-washable sheets and side fabrics make cleaning a breeze, ensuring your baby always has a clean and comfortable resting environment. The wheels are lockable, adding an extra layer of safety when moving the bassinet around your home, while the Yata offers a great balance of features and affordability. Its slightly heavier weight of 14.77 pounds may make it less ideal for frequent movement compared to lighter options. Additionally, while the storage space is convenient, it might not be as large as some parents would prefer. Overall, this bassinet is perfect for those who value functionality, storage options, and ease of use. And finally, taking the top spot is the Air Club Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. This bedside sleeper is the ultimate choice for parents seeking versatility, safety, and comfort. Its 2-in-1 convertible mode lets you switch from standalone bassinet to bedside sleeper seamlessly, making nighttime feedings and bonding effortless. The retractable side with a zipper ensures safe access to your baby, particularly helpful for moms recovering from C-sections. Its exclusive 4 auto-lock wheels set it apart from competitors, offering a break-free design that guarantees stability and safety. The Air Club Bassinet shines with its 4-level adjustable height, allowing it to fit most adult beds and adapt to various scenes during the daytime. The breathable mesh walls maximize airflow while improving visibility, so you can keep an eye on your baby while relaxing. The 3D fleece mattress is soft, airy, and provides a mother-like touch, ensuring your newborn sleeps soundly and comfortably. Cleaning is hassle-free with its removable, machine-washable mattress cover. While the Air Club excels in nearly every category, its price is unspecified, potentially making it less accessible to budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its 16-pound weight is manageable, but may still be a consideration for parents planning frequent movement. With a stellar customer rating of 4.7 stars, this bassinet is perfect for parents who want a safe, multifunctional, and premium option for breastfeeding and newborn care. Its exclusive 4 auto-lock wheels set it apart from competitors, offering a break-free design that guarantees stability and safety. The Air Club Bassinet shines with its 4-level adjustable height, allowing it to fit most adult beds and adapt to various scenes during the daytime. The breathable mesh walls maximize airflow while improving visibility, so you can keep an eye on your baby while relaxing. And provides a mother-like touch, ensuring your newborn. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.